Hi, this is Yun Lab. Nice to see you again. Today we are going to talk about how to make a syllabus. As you know, Korean and English are alphabetical characters. It means we can make a syllabus by combining consonants and vowels. But the two languages are using different strategies. For example, the word do has a consonant and a vowel. On the contrary, M comes vowel first, and stream has 3 consonants and 2 vowels and 1 consonant. So English is very flexible. On the other hand, Korean has a strict rule. Broadly, there are 2 patterns. The one is consonant plus vowel pattern, and the other is consonant, vowel, and final consonant pattern. And only in some words, double consonants appear here. Can you see? C and C. But it's very rare. Did you notice? The important point is syllables have to begin with a consonant. Here, here, and here. So consonant first and followed by the vowel. Consonant plus vowel. This is the main rule. And also the Korean letters are written in syllabic blocks. For example, the first and the second one are correct. They are written within a square following the rule of block shapes. But the third one is incorrect. It spreads out linearly, so that's wrong. Keep that in mind. The final consonant should always go down, and you should put them together in a box. Here, you can see some possible syllabic block shapes. This is the first pattern, consonant and vowel. Are you ready? Here are some syllables. Let's read it together. The, meets, will be the, da. Great. B, E, together, B. N, U, nu. Good. P, E, pe. S, O, so. T, 위, 뒤. Try writing ha, the laughing sound, right? Ha. Can you choose the correct one? Both are following the rule consonant plus vowel, but something is different. The orange has vowel on the right, while the green has vowel below, at the bottom. It's different. Yes, the orange is correct. Confused? I have a tip. Take a look at this. In the middle, there are some consonants. And then you can find the horizontal vowels at the bottom and the vertical vowels on the right. Like this, you should put the horizontal vowels below and put the vertical vowels right. I will show you. Here are 5 horizontal lines. Okay, and then let's write the vowel O and yo and u and u and They are horizontal vowels. And let's draw the vertical vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's make the vowels. A, ya, o, yo, and e. So they are vertical vowels. So when we write ha, is a consonant h first, and then we have to attach a sound. So a is a vertical vowel. So we have to attach here on the right. Let's practice more. Please stop this video and then read it by yourself. You can do it. How was it? Confident? No? This is Jinko tree. I love this tree. And tree in Korean, 나무, 나무. And universe, 우주, 우주. Good. And sweet potatoes, 고구마, 고구마. And tomato. Familiar? Yes, tomatoes, tomato. And plums, 자두, 자두. Good. And grapes, 포도, 포도, 포도. And dress shoes, 구두, 구두. And hats and caps, 모자, 모자. Good. And coffee, in Korean we say 커피, 커피, 커피. And I think the most popular drinks in Korea is soju, soju. Have you tried it? And sea, 바다, 바다, and the waves, 파도, 파도. And now it's your turn. Listen to me and write it down. Number 1, 마, 마. Yes, this is the answer. And number 2, no, no. Number 3, 타, 타. Number 4, 코, 코. Number 5, 치, 치. Number 6, 푸, 푸. Number 7, 더, 더. Take a close look at the shape of 그. I want to give you a small tip. The shape of 그 is different in oranges and yellows. It is written as a curve when they meet vertical vowels such as 가, 거, 기, while a straight line when they meet horizontal vowels 고, 구, 그. It is not only for beautiful shape, but it can improve readability. I mean, curved 그 can prevent confusion with the vertical vowels. Here are another big tip. Do you remember the order of the consonants? I added vowel a to those consonants. Let's read together. 가, 나, 다, 라, 마, 바, 사, and the next is, how do you read this? 아? No, it's ah, ah. I mean, just read the vowel only. You know the rule. Consonants must come first. But has no sound when it comes in the beginning. The silent is called as a space holder. It just keeps the space because of the rule. You can find this kind of silent letters frequently in English. If you think of honor, you don't say the beginning H. And night also has the silent GH. Anyway, it's interesting. It looks like the Arabic number 0. Think, it's empty like a 0. Here are some words with the letter N. Let's read. I, I, uyu, 여, 여우. Now let's check the CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, and final consonants. For example, mountain is 산 in Korean. S meets A will be 사. And if you add one more consonant N at the bottom, it will be 산. Please memorize. You should put the final consonant together in a block. How about 봄? It means spring. Can you write it? B first, and horizontal vowels O, and then final consonant M. Yes, that's 봄. Let's check one more word. 강 is a river in Korean. Can you write it? Curved G and vertical vowel A, and then final consonant 응. 강. Do you remember 응 as an initial consonant is silent, no sound, and called as a space holder. However, when you use it as a final consonant, it pronounced the original sound 응. So you should read it 강. Let's practice the sound of 응 used as a space holder in the beginning and 응 in the end. So as a space holder first, and that means it's silent, no sound. 우리 is we, and 오빠 is older brothers, and 서울 is familiar. Yes, the capital of Korea, Seoul. And mom and mommy is 엄마. Good. And as a final consonant, let's start. 공 is ball. 공. And bread, 빵. And the Korean company name, Samsung. And the last one, 영어 is English language. So it has the initial 응 and then final 응 both. 영어. Let's talk about the final consonants. In Korean, the initial consonants were used again in the final. And here you can see the whole 19 consonants except tense 뜨, 브, and 즈. And we use the rest 16 as the final consonants. This is a very practical and efficient way, as it allows to create many syllables without creating new consonants. I mean, the number of possible combinations reaches 11,172. It's huge. For example, take a look at it. We can make the following syllables only in the case of initial 그. A lot, yes. For your confidence, let's practice more. Could you repeat after me? 눈, 입, 손, 발. And chestnut, 밤, 딸기, melon. And 사랑 is love, and 사람 is people. So love and people are almost the same. Interesting. Computer, computer. 자전거, 자전거. And 술, 술 is alcohol, and 물, water, 물. Both have the final consonant is L. Also interesting. And 찜질방, 찜질방. And 찜질방 is a Korean style multi-purpose sauna facility. Wow. Here you can take a bath, eat, talk with friends, and even sleep. And 노래방. So 노래방 is a Korean style singing room. The rooms are separated into small rooms, so you can enjoy singing without disturbing the others, whether you can sing well or not. Now let's check the third CVCC pattern. It's very rare, but sometimes two consonants together come as a final consonant. There are 11 in total. Can you read this word? It looks very hard. Do you know the reason? It's because to make foreigners difficult and to make children smart. This is a chicken in Korean. I think no one in this world can read two consonants together at the same time. So you should choose one of them. I'm sure you know the order of consonants. 그, 느, 드, 르. Yes? And chicken has two final consonants, L and K. Which one comes first? K and L. Yes, K first. So we have to read it as 닭, 닭. If you read 달, that's wrong. Again, stop the video and try to read them. Okay, are you ready? Please repeat after me. 흑, 갑, 여덟, 읽다, 앉다. Of course, there are some exceptions, but I want to comment on it today. Let's talk about it later. Okay, let's finish here today. In the next video, I will share a few essential pronunciation rules. Have a nice day. 안녕히 계세요.